The reason why I know this is because I've been in your shoes. I've felt this, I felt like, oh fuck, am I really doing what I want to do? And the best thing I can do to get over that is count my blessings, have gratitude, be grateful for what I do have, because when you've never had much in your life, you tend to appreciate even the littlest things, the things that most people would be like, no, I don't like that. So you got to practice this. And unfortunately, if you're somebody that has been given a lot growing up, I'm not saying it's impossible for you, but it might be a little bit harder for you to appreciate that shitty site that you got that's paying you just enough money to get by, and you're like, fuck man, I don't want to do this site, it's not paying me enough money, when really your mindset should be, I'm going to take advantage of this site because it's an opportunity. I'm going to learn from it. I'm going to learn a bunch of stuff from it. I'm going to take whatever I can soak it in like a sponge, and then I'm going to deploy onto another location or another project or whatever that may be. Make sure that you give it 100% no matter what. Don't give up, give it 100%, because you are cheating yourself if you're at a job, or you are at a job right now, or you are running a business right now and you are not giving it 100%. Here's what's happening when you're not giving it 100%. You're there every single day at your job and you're barely getting by. You're just getting enough status quo. You're just collecting a paycheck, or you're just kind of moving with the motions. I mean, come on, man. Like, let's think about this. Like, if you own a business, it takes a lot of energy, a lot of work. If you are running a business right now and you are not giving it 100%, you're not showing up every single day, you're not going through the piles, the trials and tribulations and the setbacks, and you're dealing with all this stuff, right? If you want to not deal with all that stuff, then just fucking make it official, man. Just throw in the towel. Just quit the fucking business. Quit the business and start something that you are gonna like. Because here's the thing, I've been in entrepreneurship for 8 years. I'm gonna tell you something, it's not gonna change. The business is not gonna get better. Now, if it's your first 2 years, I will say stick it out. Stick it out. If it's your first year or your second year in business and you're like, I don't like this, this is not working, okay? Stick it out. Stick it out, because you haven't given enough time. You haven't given enough time to flourish and see what is truly capable of, and what's truly what that business can do for you and your family, or that job, that career, okay? But if you've been doing this for over 2-3 years and you're like, man, I just don't want to do this, I don't want to give this 100%, fuck it, throw in the towel, start over. You're probably young enough to start over again. Just start over, try it, okay? Or start working on a side hustle. Whether you're working a job right now or you're working a business right now, that's fine. You gotta give it 100%. Otherwise, your shit ain't gonna go nowhere. Your business ain't gonna go nowhere. The fucking job you got ain't gonna go nowhere. The career you're working is not gonna go anywhere, because you are thinking about doing other things. So give it 100%, and I promise you, you will take little things from each one of these projects, each one of these businesses and challenges and jobs that you are working. You will take a little piece from it, you will roll it over to the next thing, and you will continue to develop skills and develop to get higher and higher on the status quo. You will continue to become a professional in whatever prospective field you're in, and you will dominate one day. But you have to give it 100. I'm giving you the plan to guys like me out there. I'm not giving you the plan to the guy that's got everything given to him, and you're going to school right now and everything's just set up for you, man. I'm talking to the guy that's got nothing, no resources, barely graduated high school or didn't graduate high school, has no opportunities, and is trying to make his way in life. Or he is a business owner that is struggling and does not know what to do, or he's a business owner that's flourishing but is not happy. I am talking to you. You have to give it 100 in whatever it is that you're doing. Even if you are that guy that is going to school right now, was given everything, and you don't know what to do, my friend. I'm gonna tell you right now, give it 100. at least for fucking 2 to 3 years, okay? And if it does not work out at that point, then throw in the towel, start over, and fucking do something you like. That's it. That's all I can tell you, okay? I hope you have an amazing day. I'm here at the site right now. Just got here. Gotta go this bad boy. We got a few guys over here already. We got about 3 of these sites running right now. This is one of our pretty cool sites, the Element. And a 200 unit hotel. We're cleaning every inch of this bad boy. I'm gonna go in here and walk in with the project manager and get this thing situated. So have a good day, guys. Stay blessed.